Hey guys, I'm in my bathroom and I'm sick, so don't mind my voice. And I just came back from bleaching and dyeing my hair, and I asked for rose gold. This looks really peachy and I kind of look like sherbet. And so I was gonna tell her, hey, can you add more pink? Cause she was really cool, But like every time she rinsed my hair, after putting dye in, it was the hottest water I've ever felt. Like, I like cold water, and that much hot water, I felt like I was burning. And whenever she dried my hair, the hair dryer was like so hot. Like, I just wanted to get out of there. I was hungry. I had to go home. So I went to Sally's. I got some Flamingo Intensive Shine hair dye and this Repair Solutions conditioner by Ion. I don't want to focus it because it's gonna take a while, but that's what I got. I'll put that in the description. But I wanted to mix them up together and then put it in my hair and keep it in there for a while so that I can get more pink, but not make it fully flamingo pink because I don't know how that looks. So yeah, let's get going. So I've got my bowl. I'm gonna put a little bit of dye in it. Oh, that looks weird. I'm sure it won't look like that when it's on my head or when it dries, I guess. Or not dries, absorbs. Then I'm just gonna put a bunch of this. Oh wow, this feels, that's a weird texture. Oh wow, okay. So yeah, I'm gonna mix that with my children's spoon. And I just didn't want like pure color, so that's why I'm doing this. And I also want to try out this conditioner. Sorry, my cat was just trying to get into the bathroom. This isn't a normal door, which kind of bothers me. It's a sliding door, and that's not fun when you have cats. I'm gonna put a little bit more. It's really, like, really pretty. I'm gonna put a little bit more conditioner. I hate being sick. Like, that. Have you ever seen that post where it's like, you know, you like never appreciate your nose until you're sick? That's me right now. I miss it. So my cat really likes me, obviously. I should do a pet tag. Definitely. Alright, let me get my face out of here. Okay, wait, no. Focus. It's mixed. Do you see that? Alright, I think I have to have like wet hair. So I'm gonna like moisten it a little bit. BRB. Are you ready? Ooh, I don't know the song, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm just gonna put that all up there. And like, just like, get it in real good. Looking at my mirror, sorry. This camera isn't good enough. This is really weird. I'm gonna be keeping this in for 5 to 10 minutes just because I'm kind of scared. At the hair salon, they just like put it in my hair and it came out like right away. But I don't want to do that. I want to wait a few minutes. Alright, I'm a Hershey Kiss. Bye. Well, not bye. See ya later. Scary update. I just rinsed my hair, or a piece of it, and dried it off a little bit. This stuff works fast. Be right back. So it dried out, and it's really hard. It's not like showing very well. It's like a very light pink, kind of. Some areas it's kind of rosy gold, rose gold. All right. So it's like light pink. I like it. In my mirror, it looks rose gold. Like, I look like an iPhone. I actually look like an iPhone. I'm so proud of myself. In the camera, it doesn't look rose gold. Wait, maybe if I try something, wait. Alright, do you see that? Do you see that? It's kind of rose gold. Oh my god. How nice, right? Bye.